To begin copy trading on Etoro, start by opening the platform on your phone or website. Navigate to the Discover section in the left menu. Then select Copy Trader to browse through a list of traders you can copy. You can view their industry, return, number of copiers, and other relevant information. For instance, you can browse the highest gainers over the last year and view their returns over time. If you find a trader you'd like to copy, click on their profile to view their returns over the years. To copy them, click the Copy button in the top right corner. But note that there is usually a minimum investment requirement, such as $200, which you must have in your account to proceed. You can also filter traders by performance, return, and other criteria by clicking View All and setting your preferred filters. Once you've found a trader that meets your criteria and you have the required funds, you can start copying them. With these steps, you can begin copy trading on Etoro.